Coca Cola also announced earnings before the opening bell. Looking at the monthly chart, we just see these massive wicks indicating huge selling pressure. But before we continue the analysis, let's recap their earnings.
Let's take a look at those Coca Cola numbers. Just coming in with adjusted earnings per share of 78 cents. That is 6 cents better than the street was looking for, the 72 cents the street expected. Revenue also beating expectations, came in at $12 billion. The street was looking for $11.74 billion, so a beat on that front, too. By the way, this kind of echoes what we had seen from Pepsi earlier. Just want to look through.
So like many other food and beverage companies, like PepsiCo, Coke has been hiking prices on its products in response to high commodity prices. Coke's pricing strategy hasn't sparked significant backlash yet from customers. Worldwide, its unit case volumes, which excludes the impact of pricing and currency change, was flat. In the U.S., volume fell just 1%, dragged by falling demand for its namesake soda, Powerade, and bottled water. All right, so getting back to the charts, I guess this was an indication. If you look at current price, you go up and to the left, you can see another massive selling wick. And this wick was the origin of this move down all the way to $36. So rightfully so, when price gets back to that level, you're going to get at least some pause in price. All right. Now, keep in mind you have the 13 simple monthly moving average at $72. We'll keep that in mind. Going down to the weekly chart, and as you can see, momentum has died and appears to be shifting. Right. Another indication to determine the shift in momentum, just look at the RSI. It was above 60 for the better part of 8 months, and now is below 60, approaching the 50 value level. All right. We could also see price is now respecting this beginnings of a downtrend line on the weekly chart. Now, here you have a pivot high at 77.50. You also have here some or pivot low, pivot highs close to that 77.50. So I'm looking for more downside risk to retest this resistance, which is now support at 77.50. Again, pre-market price is trading at 81.92. Going to the daily chart. Again, you can see this, if you want to call it, it's a weak daily supply level, sellers level, but nevertheless it was respected. Yeah, earnings were dismal to flat, not exciting. Now, going back to the monthly chart one other time, that level was 72.33. That's the 13 simple monthly moving average. Again, 72. Going to the daily chart, you also have the moving average. This is the 200-day moving average at 75.44. So allow price to continue to move down to catch up to the moving averages, as they will serve as dynamic support. Yeah, prices are going lower. You have all the moving averages now turning after flattening out to the downside. There's more downside risk, but look for buyers to step in at the 77.50 level. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.